All right, guys, brand new break. I'm excited to be breaking tonight. This is our first box of a new case that we've just bought. This product just came out last week. We got 2022 Super Break Basketball Edition. You've got one basketball card per box, and you've got some of the biggest names from Jordan to LeBron to Kobe to current players that are playing now. You also can find autograph redemptions for autographed memorabilia. So LeBron autograph basketball. I think there's a Jordan autographed jersey redemption. So some pretty crazy stuff that we can find in here. So every spot in this break gives you 3 random teams. So Pete, you've got 2 spots in this. Daniel O with 2. And then Brent closed us out with the last 6 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize. Let's randomize the 30 teams. Yeah, Dan, I think you're a little bit behind on the feed. Yeah, sorry about that. Everything's filled up on the eBay side. So it's the Random Breaks Extravaganza football jersey we're looking to fill up. All right, 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times as well. So guys, if for some reason we pull an item or a card that doesn't have the team listed, it'll go based on length of service. I'm just trying to anticipate if we pull that LeBron autographed basketball, it's going to go to the team he played for the longest, not current team. All right, so Brent, you've got the Hawks, the Pacers, Cavs, Grizzlies, Lakers, Warriors, Bulls, Thunder, Knicks, Celtics, Jazz, Hornets, Wizards, Bucks, Raptors, Sixers, Pistons, and Clippers. Daniel's got the Heat, the Nets, the Timberwolves, the Suns, the Spurs, and the Magic. And then Pete with the Trailblazers, Pelicans, Kings, Rockets, Nuggets, and the Dallas Mavericks. Yeah, Matt, if you want to, we got those last 2 spots in the football jersey on the website, so tennskinbreaks.com. So that'll be the last break that you can jump into. All right, let's see what we get. All right, not a bad one. It's going to be a Devin Booker NBA Hoops rookie. Only thing that sucks is it's a PSA 9. So that one is going to be the Phoenix Suns, which will be Daniel. So Daniel, nice hit there for you, man. Wish that was a 10, because I don't know what a 10 would sell for. It's several $100. So basketball's starting to heat up just in time. So congratulations, Daniel. We'll get that in the mail tomorrow. And we'll continue to work through this case and see if we can pull some big hits.